So we're getting the 90 ready to go to paint shop, and it's a very hot day today. So what we're going to do is take the window out. Now, the old school way is to sit in the car and push it out with your feet. But you'll break the glass, you'll no doubt break the glass, and we don't want to do that. Because here in Canada, we can't just buy these out the glass shop. We have to import them, and they cost a fortune. Because I can only buy them in packets of 10 for transport, and then they have to be air freighted. So something that costs maybe £40 in England ends up costing about £200 each. So what I do is I get a knife and I run it inside the window, simply just like that, look. Get a piece out and then pull it, because we're going to replace the rubber anyway, right? But in this way, we can now pop the window out and we can replace the rubber easy. So that's what we're doing, and that's just a little tip, because the rubbers do cut on the corners. They don't leak so much really, the Land Rover rubbers, they're not too bad. But yeah, they do get water behind them, so we're going to have a look and see if there's any corrosion behind this window. Alright, talk to you later.